So dito ta nagtan-aw sa property. No, we have visited some properties in this area in Barangay San Isidro, Pilar, Bohol. So one of the biggest property we have here is the 34 hectares. So imagine it's really a big or a large rice field, irrigated rice field located in Barangay San Isidro, Pilar, Bohol. So ang nindot diri guys, ang owner will earn wala ni gasto, dili na sila mo gasto. That is their net earnings. It's around 800 sacks of rice per cropping. Imagine, will earn 800. So again, no, it will earn 800 sacks of rice per cropping. May net income sa owner. So nindot kayo. So again, the price is 180 pesos per square meter, negotiable. So may higo ni og 1.8 million per hectare. So maabot sa mga 60 kapin, 60 million kapin guys, pero ningon man si owner nga kanang negotiable. So mo nay naa diri guys, no, 34 hectares. Iporwardan gyud ko sa papilis ani, titulado gyud ni siya. It's really a titled property. Nya heirs na sila. So mo nay naka-advantage diri. So aside from that, do we have another property for sale? Still irrigated rice field. Irrigated rice field gyapon. Nagyapon din diri dapita sa Barangay San Isidro, Pilar, Bohol. So the life of the people here are engaged in farming, you guys. So they are engaged in farming. Nindot sad, fresh air. You are in the middle of Bohol, no, Bugnaw, cool place. It's really cool. Lahi ra gyud ang temperature or environment or climate, especially in the morning time or in the evening, no, nindot kayo. So I will let you see, no. So this is the 4.5 hectares bago pang gitanuman guys. So money ang 4.5 hectares. So nindot kayo, pero not along the road. It's something like second lot from the road. Nya barato ra man kayo kay 5 million raman sad. Irrigated rice field na guys, no. Per hectare ang gingon atong taga diha, no, 90 sacks of rice ang mo income per hectare. So sagad lang dire are rough roads, no, going to the highway. So going to the highway is rough road. Then although no problem man kay if you have a car, no, or pick up car, nindot ra kayo. So if you are going to have a rice business, you put a rice mill on the area, nindot kayo, you can supply. Kay not all parts of Bohol are irrigated rice field. There are Ubay, San Miguel na ana siya guys. Majority na gyud, no, pero if you supply to the other province like Cebu, so nindot kayo if you can go to Cebu, no, supply rice. So man naka-advantage, no. So inguna ni ra gid guys, rough road but not too far, no, dili man pud tayo kayo. More or less na gyud nis mga kuan guys, mga 7 to 8 kilometers from National Highway. 7 to 8 kilometers mao gyud na distance no from the highway to the property in Barangay San Isidro. Again, we have two properties for sale in Pilar Bohol. Then Pilar Bohol is like Ubay, it's agricultural town. This is the picture no of the municipal hall in Pilar Bohol. So mao to siya guys atong gi-attach. Nindot na kaayo ang Pilar Bohol, although napo sila state university diha. Napo na kuan na gyud po develop na gyud ang Bohol guys. Dili pa rin sa una nga lisod yun yung kalsada. It's very difficult to drive in this road before no. Way back 10 years ago. So good na to no, sa Lisura. Now it's really developed. Concrete, develop and concrete no? So this is the center of barangay no, in San Isidro. This is the dam. That is the dam no, that supplied water to the rice field no. Wala to siya ang dam. It's a big dam. Dako kayo nga murag di ka mura. The dam yun siya kanang tuyo yun to himo guys. So that's very good no. So money is part of the dam no. Wala siya. So very nice to travel in the area. Very friendly people man po guys. Again, when you ask where is this place, the people will just immediately tell you that this is another dam. Punto siya daya guys no, it's another picture of the dam. So but pasabot na ko guys, kung mautana gani ka diri guys, mobili siya mo ni say di maglibog ta sa ubang lugar kay dili mo tol-tol pero kini pareha nang adto kag Cebu City. Adi masanon taga diha. Pero suway adto na mga part sa Cebu nga murag lisod, di ba adi jud mo tugan. So kiri agyod. So mo ni atong nakuha sa to ang pag riding dito no. Travel dito. So mana gituyo na to ang motovlog. As you can see, you can observe no the terrain, the roads still rough mixed with concrete. So there are rough roads, but I mean there are also rough roads and there are also concrete roads. As you can see side by side no, it has really an open area, open lots, mostly a rice field. Rice field is guys. Pero if you are going to retire sa mga people or guys, look to Gayo, spend quiet. You can have a peaceful mind. Peaceful to Gayo. No traffic. Imagine na kanin no. So from Pilar Bohol, it's more or less no 1 hour and 30 minutes or 1 hour drive from the Pilaran City. For example, if you can have your own car, 1 hour agad na guys, kaya nakabot-bulot mo na. So mana siya guys, mani naka-advantage no. Mani naka-advantage sa location na to sa Bohol kay very developed na yun. Hindi na kita sa una grabe ang rampo. So now it's really good no? Really nice location. Mura na galing sa highway kay kuan man siya guys, nindot na gyud kayo ang iyang kasada. So matutal na if you kuan kanang kung imo amo ning Bilbakon. Majority are rough roads. So again, the property we have visited 34 hectares and 4.5 hectares for 5 million. So irrigated rice bed ihapon. So still irrigated. Again, ato lang utrohon guys, no? Approximately the location of the property we have visited in the area now in Pilar Bohol in San Isidro, more or less 7 to 8 kilometers from National Highway, and it is approximately 1 kilometer from this road, from this provincial. This is so-called provincial, guys. Very affordable price, then still under negotiation, no? We still negotiable, but I mean, so this is Bohol, guys, no? Pilar Bohol. So what I mean irrigated rice bed. So even if during summertime you can still plant rice, or the rice that you planted will really survive because of the water system, irrigation. So muna siya guys, may naka-advantage sa mga irrigated and non-irrigated area. If you are very you want to have a rice bed, you want to buy a rice bed, so kung balik kayo mga rice bed guys, go try sa Pilar mo. So pwede siya kang balik na lang ka, di ka magtanong, hindi mo na nag-pwesto dito. Although problem sa mga may resort pa panitan mga isda, no problem with the supply sa mga sudan na to, no? Kaya may daghang mag-travel na dala o mga isda, mga balhabang po ba, like single taxi that will sell sa mga isda, fish, no? Fish for our dish. Mana siya guys, no? Malagi problema. So again, we're still in what we call Pilar Bohol. So doon na ta sa San Miguel, kay connect man ni sa San Miguel Bohol guys. I think this is part of San Miguel Bohol area. So lindot na kayo ang karsada, no? The road is really concrete na guys, concrete. So you can add to my Facebook account ninyo Humawas 14. So this is already the highway. So few minutes naman ang 7 to 8 kilometers doon na kayo. I think it's around less than 10 minutes drive or 10 minutes drive. So doon na yun. This is the National Highway in Barangay Mahayag, San Miguel Bohol. Okay, San Miguel Bohol lang siya guys, Barangay Mahayag. Connecting ko na dito na palit sa Trinidad. So baka mag-guys, no? Okay, thank you very much, and God bless to all. Happy